The 2.4-litre Tigershark, also known as the Jeep ED6, is a naturally aspirated 2.4-litre inline four-cylinder gasoline engine that first appeared in the 2013 Dodge Dart. Developed collaboratively by Chrysler and Fiat engineers, the Tigershark MultiAir 2 engine family is an evolution of the prior World gas engine, featuring nearly 90% new or updated components aimed at enhancing performance and fuel efficiency. This engine powers various vehicles, including the Jeep Cherokee, Renegade, Compass, Ram ProMaster City, and certain Fiat models like the Fiat 500X and Fiat Toro. So we'll delve into the design of the 2.4-litre Tigershark engine, discuss common issues, and assess its reliability and longevity. The 2.4 Tigershark engine features a high-pressure die-cast aluminum cylinder block with cast-iron liners. To enhance rigidity, a lightweight aluminum ladder frame is placed between the block and a steel oil pan designed in a sandwich style. To minimize vibration, rotating balance shafts are built into the bottom of the block. The engine's rotating assembly comprises a forged steel crankshaft, powder-forged steel connecting rods, and lightweight aluminum pistons with polymer-coated skirts. The piston pins are full-floating and treated with diamond-like carbon coatings. Oil squirters are included to cool the underside of the pistons and maintain optimal temperature. Sitting atop the block is an aluminum 16-valve cylinder head with a single chain-driven camshaft and the innovative MultiAir 2 system developed by Fiat. This electro-hydraulic system allows for precise variable valve timing and lift. MultiAir 2 controls both the opening and closing of the intake valves. The exhaust valves are actuated via the camshaft through shimless mechanical buckets, while the intake system features a cam lobe for each cylinder that engages roller finger followers. These followers operate a piston with a lash adjuster and hydraulic brake. Oil is pushed through a solenoid into the valve assembly, and when the solenoid opens, the valve disconnects from the cam and closes under the valve spring's pressure. When closed, the valves follow the cam profile as in conventional engines, enabling the MultiAir system to adjust valve timing and lift for optimized fuel economy and performance. An aluminum head cover tops the cylinder head. This engine uses a multi-port fuel injection system paired with coil-on-plug ignition and dual precious metal spark plugs. The intake manifold is crafted from plastic and fitted with an acoustic cover for noise reduction. Additionally, a two-stage oil pressure relief system helps maintain ideal oil pressure and minimizes engine oil pumping loads. The 2.4-litre engine was available in various versions depending on the car model. These versions did not differ significantly in their design. Most changes were related to the engine control unit settings. Consequently, variations in engine performance were relatively minor. Across different configurations, the Tigershark MultiAir 2 engine produces between 175 to 185 horsepower and generates torque ranging from 230 to 245 Newton meters. The 2.4-litre Tigershark engine, widely used across various Jeep and Chrysler models, has generated numerous reviews about its reliability. While the list of typical issues isn't extensive, some problems have been severe enough to prompt lawsuits from owners seeking compensation for design flaws. One of the most persistent problems with the 2.4 Tigershark is excessive oil consumption, an issue that has plagued the engine since its debut in 2012. While the manufacturer has attempted solutions such as reprogramming the valve control system, shortening service intervals, and enabling an emergency engine shut-off feature when low oil levels are detected, these measures have only partially mitigated the problem. The shortened service intervals did not provide a complete solution, as the engine's oil consumption is inconsistent and heavily influenced by driving conditions. Owners have reported stable oil levels for weeks, only to find the dipstick nearly empty after a long trip. The emergency shut-off feature has itself been problematic, as it activates without regard for the driving situation, leading to potentially dangerous scenarios. Drivers have experienced engine shutdowns on highways, at railroad crossings, or while making turns through busy intersections. This has led to widespread frustration, especially since the oil pressure warning often lights up only after the engine is already experiencing oil starvation. The main culprits behind the excessive oil use are the piston ring design and the engine's high operating temperature, which exceeds 100 degrees Celsius, as shown by the ECU's reading of the coolant temperature. This high temperature can alarm drivers unfamiliar with the engine's design, especially if a thermostat failure triggers an error due to temperatures falling below 80 degrees Celsius. Not all Tigershark owners report severe oil consumption issues. The type and brand of oil, as well as its viscosity, can influence the extent of the problem. Online discussions suggest that switching from the manufacturer recommended 0W20 to a thicker 5W30 or 5W40 oil may help reduce consumption, although results vary and no universal fix has been found. Owners are advised to experiment with different oils within the manufacturer's specifications to find what works best. The 2.4 Tigershark MultiAir 2 engine is rated for a service life of at least 200,000 miles, a figure supported by real-world use. Regular checks of oil and coolant levels are essential, as minor issues like leaks from the expansion tank are common. Keeping a small supply of these fluids on hand can help mitigate potential problems and extend the engine's longevity.